It's my wedding day and I'm using Color Flow in the sifter because it gives me greater coverage faster. You guys, I'm obsessed with this Color Correct stick. It corrects and highlights. So if you have a little redness or pinkness under your eye, which I do, I'm gonna use the correct side to neutralize that redness and then just blend it in. I love the Color Eye Define pencil. It's a shadow and a liner that can also double as a brow pencil. One of the things that I love about Susan Posnick Cosmetics is that literally every product I use has multiple functions, just like this one. And it's less products that I have to carry around in my bag and less money. The beauty of Susan Posnick Cosmetics is her brilliance in packaging, like this Color Me blush with a mirror. Color Me is a triple threat. It's a blush, an eyeshadow, and a lip color. This double-sided brush is perfect for Color Me. One side for blush, another side for shadow. To get a more precise application, take off the lid, tap on the top, and apply. I love the angled liner on the Color Eye Define. It allows you to get a strong line right into your lashes. And then you can use your finger or the shadow side to smudge it in for a softer look. The shadow's actually in the cap, so when you need more, you just twist back and forth. Here's a pro tip. When you want to brighten up your eye, use a gorgeous color like this turquoise on your waterline. Now I'm going to use the shadow side in this beautiful topaz color to add some smoky dimension to my eye. And of course, nothing looks right without my mascara. I'm using the highlighting side of the Color Correct to brighten under my eye, define my cheekbone, and highlight under my brow. I'm using the Color Flow brush, sliding the sleeve halfway up and using it to set. You don't want to skip lip liner because not only does it help define your lip, when blended in, it'll help your lip color stay on longer. I love this color duo. It has a nude side and a rouge side, so I get to pick. For wedding day or every day, I love LA. It's a nice soft pink. I love this creme caramel gloss. When you want to add a pop of sass onto your lip, put it right in the middle. For that extra glow, use Illuminate on the top of your cheekbones, on your décolleté. You can even use it as an eyeshadow or on your lips. As an over 50 bride, I wanted to feel naturally beautiful on my wedding day, and thanks to Susan Posnick Cosmetics, I can.